So the next type that we are going to cover, it is float value. Okay, the range of float is, it ranges from 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 38 to 1.2 into 10 raised to 38. So this is also a interview question that will be asked for the beginner, like basic developers. Okay, so if you want to define yeah, also don't forget this thing. It will take up to 6 digits of, like after the decimal point, it will take up to 6 digits. Okay, to define a float, what we do is, we like some float value, and we define, we have to give it as float, so it will be 100,232 or something, and if when you print this some float, okay, so yeah, this is 100.232. okay, so this is the we have to define that this is a float. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this is defined as float. Now we are gonna cover the double values. So double values, what it takes is, it is little bit bigger than as compared to float. You can like you can give up to 15 digits after a decimal point. So its range is I guess let's just code it down, man. I don't believe in like just talking. It's better to code it so you can understand it better. Okay, so its range is 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 308. So this is also interview question you will be asked most in most of the interviews. Okay, it is 2.3 into 10 raised to 308. Okay, this is the range of it, and as I told you before, that it takes like up to 15 digits after the decimal point. Okay, so if you want to define a double value, we define some value, so you give double equal to 100 point something. Okay, so as you can see, you can, if you can check, I have given more number of numbers after the decimal, after this decimal point. So if you want to store some more more decimal points, sorry, more decimal numbers after the decimal point, you specify that number as double data type.